welcome you back to Stock Markets with Bruce. We are hanging right in there today. Thank you. Just got out of a meeting. Says I think Tony, if I'm not mistaken, let me double check. Is Tony? Are you all right there? You doing okay? Yeah, I just got out of a meeting. Tony says, I'm glad you made it, Tony. I'm glad you're out. I'm going to try and experiment, Tony, live on the air. This is exciting stuff. This is the kind of stuff that doesn't happen on any other YouTube channels. Only happens on this YouTube channel. I'm going to try and experiment right now with Tony. Tony, I want you to attempt to upload a message here in a second. I'll give you the green light in just a second. You just hang tough with me for a minute. I just have to check something out here. I just want to double and triple check. Okay, let's see. Alrighty, I want you to attempt to upload a message on the channel right now. Okay, try to upload a message on the channel right now under your name, and let's see if something kicks in here or not. I sure hope Tony can get a message onto the show here. You set up your phone there, Tony. Try to get a message in here. Let me know if it works. I'm watching your phone here as you are texting me. Try to say hello or anything to the gang. We're trying to get Tony out of jail. Let's see if he's getting anything through here. Can Tony do anything? Just got a meeting. I posted it. Let's see if we see a message from Tony. Hopefully Tony will come through here. I'm keeping an eye open to see if something is kicking. So far, nothing. Does anyone see anything from Tony right at this moment? I don't see Tony. Come on, Tony, you can do it. That's what they're saying to you. Tony, you can do it. Where is Tony? Where is this Tony you speak of? We're hoping that Tony can post here. It doesn't look like I've got him. Nothing yet, right? Tony, I don't see anything at the moment. Keep an eye open. No, I'm not showing. No, I'm not Tony, says Adam. Dinosaur Jr. Tony. Where's Tony? Everyone's asking, where's Tony? Tony, where are you? Still haven't got Tony in here. We're trying to find a way to get Tony to be able to post on this channel. We're not yet able to do it. I'm keeping my eyes open here to see if there's a way to find a way to get Tony to be able to post. Everyone's got suggestions to help Tony. A plot twist. Tony is Bruce's imaginary friend. Oh man, Tony. Is it Tony Braxton? No, it's not Tony Braxton. Does Tony have multiple Google accounts? If he is logged into multiple, it'll keep him from chatting. He needs to log out of the other ones. It happened to me once. Tony, we're trying to come up with all kinds of solutions for you to find a way to get you in here. Unplug Tony and plug him back in. Does he look like Tony Hawk maybe? Go iPhone, ask Tony to log out and then close his browser and then log back in. Check. If this thing is on, Voices in My Head by GameStop. He goes by Anthony maybe. Massive, wasn't it? No, don't give him real advice. GameStop has a YouTube channel. Is everyone subscribed? The street cred Tony now has from his time in prison will have proven worth the wait. That's it. He's logged in with a different account first. Tony unplugged. Yeah, log out of all Google accounts, then log back in. Tony will be able to chat once GameStop goes to the moon. Tell Tony to turn off the computer, then go outside. Go with the incognito window on the desktop laptop. Tony should delete System 32. I don't know what all this means. Tony is now talking again to me. He's posting me here. He's texting me. What's he saying now? Hang on. I gotta get back up here. No, there was a message coming, but now I don't see it. Tony, keep trying everything. We're trying everything we can. Then just go log in and just the account you use for YouTube, not the Gmail account. Go iPhone, unmute, place it near the mic. Done. Tony's YouTube be go Boyan, Bulgaria. He used to be in Bulgaria. Think of all he's learned on the inside. No, I am not. He says I'm not. I'm single account. I was able to post the first day you went private. I'm on my computer, he says. You see, Tony should do what Tony should do what Tony needs to do. Tony been watching too much porn, laughing out loud. Young guy, don't delete System 32. Tell Tony to flick on off the lights in your office. I like that Bruce is trying to help someone with a tech issue. This is funny in itself. I mean, exactly. Don't delete System 32. Don't do that. I love this free Tony brainstorming session. Tony owes his channel something. Longest call out in the history of YouTube. Who's long on Tony? Michael. Damn it, you beat me to it, Michael. I like your language. Colin dangerously. Is Tony a cat? Colin, all those inmate lessons. We're trying everything for Tony. We are trying for Tony, have you got an iPhone? Tony? Are you able to send a message using your iPhone by chance? I mean, even that, I don't know. I'm trying. Tony, log out, clear history, cache, clear browser, restart. Send us a telegraph. He's typing right now. Yes, sir. I've got a phone. He gets to text you. I mean, turn off comments. NP Tony's going to need a parole officer. Tony, the Tomcat. We Deep F and Tony. Has Tony tried to hit his computer with a hammer a few times? I'll try that. He's going to try his phone. Tony, I sure hope you can talk to us. Mallow, Tony is on McDonald's Wi-Fi. YouTube is short. Tony, you just read us Tony's chat. Laugh out loud. Tony's macaroni. Tony the tiger. Tommy, what was that? Tommy Jan. If Tony can't send the message on the computer and phone, then it sounds more like an account issue. Jake, Tony is there, a 15-year-old nearby. He can fix it. Tony's press enter. Tony, just press enter. Has Tony cleared all of his cookies? Tony, first you got to make a tinfoil hat. Where's macaroni when you need him? Brian Hold, laugh out loud. Tony the Tiger, same thing, right? Dash, door, dash, SOS. Left foot down, right hand up, restart computer, whack keyboard on the right side with the left hand. Adrian, I think Tony will be in a movie with Bruce. Mike, who cheese Harry, unplug it and plug it back in. Citadel is shorting, says Michael. Have you tried incognito mode, control shift? And Anna, has Tony installed a browser extension after he was able to comment for the first time? If so, try disabling the extension and see if that can comment. Oh, we're all trying everything for Tony. We are trying everything. Michael, dash, dot. Try a different divide. Come on, Tony. Tony, how many viewers does it take to help an ape chat? Try a different device. Tony has won second prize in the beauty contest. Oh no! In Soviet Russia, Tony blocks you. Tony, just go find the biggest guy and punch him. Timmy, have a seat, kids. Let me tell you about the tale of legend Tony. It all started at a 5,000 watt radio station. Saki Bomb is laughing. Tony, clean the crud out of the mouse, man. That's oh no. Clean the crud out of the mouse. Oh, God. Oh, I love that. Oh, that is so funny. Oh, man. The cruelty of this audience. Oh, my God. I'm dying over here. Tony, I'm dying too. Oh, no. God, Lord. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, it's so funny. Clean the crud out of the mouse. Oh, surprise twist. I am Tony. Laughing out loud, T-Bone. Poor Tony. Bruce, you don't know. Bruce, you don't know to know the only possible way you would have an iPhone in there. Oh, God. Incognito, skips cookies, plug it. It's like a new computer kind of, Tony. You got to call Benny from the Bronx. FBI witness protection is obviously blocking Tony from commenting. Oh my, Mike, who What the cookies and the delete, Bruce? I think you need to do a live stream with Tony. Yeah, you got to get Tony as a guest. We got to get Tony on here as a guest. Poor Tony, this is not fair. Oh my gosh, this is what is fighting against. Oh my god. Oh my god, smash forehead on keyboard. Just smash forehead on keyboard. Roll forehead from left to right on keyboard. With pursed lips, make mouth sound burr. Oh man, you guys are killing me. Rick is laughing. Incoming. Where's Tony merchandise on Bruce's channel? I got it. I got it. Name change. Try Timmy. Did Tony fart, sneeze, and burp at the same time? What's going on? Sharon, in addition to cookies, maybe Tony should clear his browsing data. Michael, buy and hold, laughing out loud, the People's Channel. Yay, most fun ever. Throw it against the wall. Tony's a spy. Laughing out loud. Nice, Mike. Puts on Tony's YouTube account. I'll fly over to Tony and pick him up and fly him back. It's just quicker that way. I love it. We're all feeling optimistic. So much fun. Larry, got him. Malo. Oh, my gosh. Laughing out loud. That's it. We broke Bruce. We broke Bruce. We broke him. Did Tony eat his Frosted Flakes today? Shades. Oh, we broke Bruce. Way to go. This is so wholesome. Oh, laughing loud. Bagel Bruce down. The sequel to Black Hawk down. Oh, Larry Titus wins the chat. We lost Uncle B. Infectious laughter. I am guessing Tony authored a DD, which hit close to home with Citadel. Got him, says Drew. I got him. Nice. Oh my gosh. CT, they got him. I'm trying not to laugh at work. I can't wait to hang out with Uncle Bruce in person. Larry, you got Bruce good. You got him. Larry, you killed Bruce. You killed him. Oh, Larry, you really got him. Laughing out loud. Larry, you got him. I win. I'm laughing right now because Bruce is laughing. Larry, that broke the Bruce. His poor sides, you're going to make him blow a bagel. You might kill him there. And 1.3 thousand people are crying from laughing. Larry just broke Bruce. Man, I'll tell you right now, Tony, and Tony, call 1-800-YouTube. Thank you, guys. Have a pleasant evening. I just canceled my membership. I'll sign up again after the 16th, says Tony. He's going to just redo it and try again. Tony, I just hope it works. I'm praying to God this can happen. We got to get you in here, Tony. We need you so badly. Stay safe, everybody, says Jack Power. This is a phony Tony. That's a phony Tony. That's not the real Tony. But Tony just texted me. He's canceling his membership, and he's going to try again. And we'll hope for the best that Tony can get in here. Tony, we got to get you back.